This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. I'm going to show you a really neat automatic way to convert currencies in Google Sheets using a special function. Let's get started. So I have a simple chart here, and basically what I want to do is I want to convert these grocery items that are in US dollars into these currencies from these other countries. So CDN means Canada, GBP, Great Britain, TWD is Taiwan New Dollar. It's basically using this function called Google Finance. What I'm going to be doing is sticking an equal sign in front of this, and then in the parentheses, a quotation mark, currency colon USD CAD. So this is going from US dollar to Canadian dollar. And I did it right here. I'll show you. You can see it's right there. And it automatically shows the currency rate, the conversion rate, which is 1.4. All right, so 1 US dollar equals 1.4 Canadian dollars. What I'm going to do up here is I'm going to type equals B2, which is the price for the bag of potatoes, times, let's see, B8. And I'm going to put dollar signs in front of the B and the 8, and that way it will stay fixed. And I'll show you why I'm doing that. So B2 times B8. So that means currently at this exchange rate, which is the latest exchange rate as of about 20 minutes ago, a 5-pound bag of potatoes in Canadian dollars would be nearly 7 Canadian dollars, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this down, use autofill, and it will fill in all the amounts in Canadian dollars. So a bunch of scallions that cost $2 here, the price in Canada would be $2.78 for the equivalent product. Now, if you want to change things around, this is how to do it. So I'm going to copy this function, and then I'm going to paste it here, but I'm going to make a change. Instead of saying USD CAD, I'm going to say USD GBP for Great British Pound and put that in. So here it is basically 1 US dollar equals 0.74 British pounds. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type in equals B2 times, and then that's going to be B9, $9, whoops, 9. Okay, and you can see it's automatically autofilling it and suggesting the options there. So it just converted everything. One thing I want to change here, of course, is the symbols are wrong. So I would go to the More Formats button on the toolbar, choose Custom Currency, and then find Great British Pound. Great British Pound. Actually, let me just search for it. British Pound Sterling. Here we go. So it has the right pound sign there. And then finally for TWD, I'm going to be doing the same thing. I'm going to be pasting this in, the original formula in, but instead of USD CAD, I'm changing it to USD TWD. So 1 US dollar equals more than 30 new Taiwan dollars. That's just the way the currency is set up. I'm going to do the same thing, equals B2 times B, and that will be B10. And you can see it's filling it in. So in new Taiwan dollars, a liter of soda costs 36 new Taiwan dollars compared to $1.19 in U.S. currency. It's the same amount. It's just being expressed in Taiwan dollars. So what you need is Google Finance, currency, USD CAD, and then one final thing. If you wanted to go in the opposite direction, you would do instead of saying currency colon USD CAD, you would do currency colon CAD USD, and it would do the exact reversed conversion. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.